How to set up 6-digit PIN on HSBC Bank. So the first step is to simply go to the log on page for personal internet banking and then simply enter your personal internet banking username and click on continue. Then click on the log on with security code link on the bottom of the page and you'll be prompted to enter a security code. You'll need to generate a security code using the HSBC mobile banking app. And to do that, you're gonna have to launch the app on your smartphone and then simply tap on the generate security code button on the bottom of the mobile banking app screen. Then you'll be presented with the three menu options. Tap on the log on security code button, then tap on any of these options. You're gonna have Face ID, Touch ID, or Fingerprint ID to log on, or enter your digital security device passcode, a 6 to 9 character passcode you created when you registered, and your 6-digit security code will appear on the bottom of the page and expires in 30 seconds. Quickly enter your 6-digit number into the enter security code field. If your security code expires, you can generate another, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on continue, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.